Welcome to all. Today we will start part 8 of the chapter Polynomials of class 9th standard. So today's topic is algebraic identities. Right. If you remember, algebraic identities we have done in 8th standard also. So first let's discuss what are algebraic identities. So algebraic identities are the algebraic equations, right? We know what are algebraic equations that are true for all the values of the variables occurring in it, right? I will explain its meaning. Let's take first identity. We have done in 8th standard also that x plus y whole square is equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now what are the algebraic identities? It is written algebraic identities are the algebraic equations. Now if you will see, this is the equation, right? It involves a sign of equality. That means it is an equation. And it is written these equations are true for all the values of the variables occurring in it. If we will see the variables in the equation, what are the variables here? One is x and one is y. That means total two variables are there. And when it is written that are true for all the values of variable, that means if we will put any value of x and y, and if we will solve left hand side and right hand side, the value of both the sides will be same. Right. Now let's take that x is equals to 2 I am taking and y is equals to 5 I am taking. Okay, you can take any value of the variables. It may be whole number, it may be integers, right? I have taken both the values as positive value only. Now I am putting value of x and y first in LHS. So our LHS is x plus y whole square, right? The value of x is 2. So 2 plus y is 5 and whole square. Now within bracket we have 2 plus 5, that means 7. So 7 whole square, the final value we are getting 7 into 7, that is 49. Right. Then we have right hand side. Now let's see right hand side. Right hand side is x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now again we will put the value. X is equals to 2, that means 2 square, plus 2xy, that means 2 into x, that is 2 and into y, that is 5, plus y square is 5 square. Now we will solve 4 plus 2 into 5 is 20 plus 25, that is 49. That means LHS is equals to RHS. So this is the only meaning of algebraic identities, that algebraic identities are the algebraic equations that are true. True means LHS is equals to RHS for all the values of variable. We can take any value of the variable. X is equals to 0, y is equals to minus 5, any value. Left hand side will be equals to right hand side. So this is our first identity. Now second identity, x minus y whole square is equals to x square minus 2xy plus y square. This also we have done in 8th standard. If you want, you can prove it by taking any value of x and y. I am not doing this, you can do it yourself. So this is our second identity. Now let's see third identity. It is x square minus y square is equals to x plus y and x minus y. Fourth identity, x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So these all the four identities we have studied in 8th standard also. Now let's do few questions based on these identities. Now example 1, find the product using suitable identity. That means we have to see the question and we have to think which identity out of these four we have to apply to solve this question, right? So first part is x plus 5 into x plus 5. We will see x plus 5 into x plus 5, we can write as x plus 5 whole square, right? Now x plus 5 whole square means x plus y whole square. So we will use the identity x plus y whole square is equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square, right? Here x is x only and y is 5. So when we will apply, we will get x square. X square means x square only. 2. So we have here 2 x. We have x only, and y. Value of y is 5. So we will put here 5 plus y square. Y is 5, so plus 5 square. Now we will solve. X square means x square only, plus 2 into 5 is 10 and x is also there. That means 10x plus 5 square is 25. So answer is x plus 5 into x plus 5 is equals to x square plus 10x plus 25. Now second part is x minus 3 into x plus 5. Now here we can see x and this is 3 and second part x and this is 5. So we cannot take x plus y whole square. We cannot take x minus y whole square. Now let's see the fourth identity. It is x plus a into x plus b. So using the identity x plus a into x plus b, this is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So this identity we have to use because here this is 3 and this is 5. It is not same. Okay, and even the signs are also not same. So we have to use the fourth identity. Now we will apply this identity. Now x minus 3 into x plus 5. We know value of a is minus 3, right? Because here it is plus. Now in our question it is minus 3. So we have to take a as minus 3 and value of b as 5. Now we will put x square plus a plus b into x. So a plus b means minus 3 plus 5 into x plus a into b. A is minus 3 and b is 5. Here we will multiply. So we will get final x square. Now minus 3 plus minus 5. We will solve. We will get plus 2. So plus 2x. Here 3 5s are 15 and minus sign. So minus 15. That means by using the identity we got x minus 3 into x plus 5 is equals to x square plus 2x minus 15. Let's see another question. Question is factorize 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square. Now if we will see this expression like this only, we cannot compare with any identity, right? Now if we will see, we can write 49a square as 7a whole square, right? 7 into 7 is 49 and a into is a square. Now 25b square we can write as 5b whole square. 5 5s are 25 and b into b square. Now middle term if we will see 70ab. Now we will try to break the middle term in terms of these two, right? So if we will break, we are getting 2 into 7a into 5b, right? 5 2s are 10 and 10 7s are 70. So 70ab we will get. Right, so we can use the identity. It is x plus y whole square only. X plus y whole square is equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Here also it is x square plus 2xy plus y square. So we will use this identity. So we will get 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square as x plus y whole square. Here what is x? X is 7a. So we have written 7a. And plus y. What is y? Y is 5b. So we have written 5b and whole square. So this is the final answer which we are getting after doing the factorization of the given algebraic expression. Now let's see another part. Factorize 25 upon 4 x square minus y square upon 9. Now here also we will see one by one the terms. First term is 25 upon 4 x square. If we will see 25, we can write as 5 square. Right, 4 we can write as 2 square and x square we can write as x square. So in place of this term we can write 5 upon 2 x whole square. Right. Second part is y square upon 9. Y square means y whole square and 9 means 3 whole square. So y square upon 9 we can write as y upon 3 whole square. Now we know this expression we can write as x square minus y square. So using the identity x square minus y square is equals to x plus y, x minus y. So we will get x is 5 upon 2x plus y is y upon 3. So 5 upon 2x plus y upon 3 and second term will be 5 upon 2x minus y upon 3. Okay, now let's see the identity. That is x plus y plus z whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Now if you will see this identity, identity is x plus y plus z whole square. That is first term whole square. So we have written x square plus second term whole square. So we have written y square. Then third term whole square. So we have written here z square. Then next term, if you will see, next term is 2 into yz. So 2 into yz is first two terms, product of first two terms, right? Plus 2yz. 2yz, yz is product of last two terms, right? And 2zx, z into x, product of last and first term. So x plus y plus z whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Now sixth identity, x plus y whole cube is equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Same way we have next identity, x minus y whole cube. That is equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. And the last identity, eighth identity is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So you have to learn these four identities also. Now based on these identities, let's do few questions. Question is expand 4a minus 2b minus 3c whole square. Right? If you will see this question, we have three terms here. That means it is a trinomial and it's a whole square. So you can compare by which identity here? Identity 5. So we are using identity x plus y plus z whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Now question is 4a minus 2b minus 3c whole square. Now we can write it as 4a plus minus 2b plus minus 3c whole square. Why we are writing like this? Because in our identity we have plus sign only. So we have to write the question in terms of the identity only. Right? So we have written it as 4a plus minus 2b and plus minus 3c whole square. Now we will apply the identity. We will get first is x square. So x square means first term whole square. So 4a whole square. Then we have y square. Y square means second term whole square. So second term is minus 2b whole square. Then we have z square. Z square means third term whole square. So minus 3c whole square. Plus 2 into xy. So 2 into xy means first term and second term, right? Product of first and second term we have written here 4a into minus 2b. Plus 2yz. So 2 and yz means product of second and third term. So second term minus 2b and third term minus 3c. Plus 2zx. Zx means product of third and first term. So 2 into third term is minus 3c and first term is 4a. Now we will multiply and we will solve this. So 4a whole square means 4 into 4 16 and a square. So 16a square. Now minus 2 whole square is 4 and b. So b square. Minus 3 whole square is 9 plus 9 and c square. Now here 4 into minus 2 is minus 8 and minus 8 is into 2 is minus 16. So minus 16 ab. Now here if you will see minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6 and plus 6 into 2 is plus 12 BC. And then 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 into 4 is minus 24 AC. So we can expand 4a minus 2b minus 3c whole square as 16a square plus 4b square plus 9c square minus 16ab plus 12bc minus 24ac. Using the identity x plus y plus z whole square. Let's do one more question. We have evaluate 103 whole cube. Right. Now we have to use the identities and here is only one term. That means it is a monomial. And we have not done any identity which is based on monomial. Okay, minimum two terms should be there. That means it should be a binomial. So what we will do, we will break 103. So 103 we can break as 100 plus 3, right? And whole cube will remain as it is. So we have written 100 plus 3 whole cube. Now if you will see this, it is x plus y whole cube. So we will use the identity x plus y whole cube is equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Here x is 100 and y is 3. So we will put the value x cube means 100 cube plus y cube is 3 cube plus 3xy. So 3 into 100 into 3 and within bracket x plus y. That means 100 plus 3. Now we will solve. 100 cube means 0 we will write 6 times plus 3 cube is 27 plus 3 into 100 plus 3 that means 900 and 100 plus 3 is 103. Now we will solve this and we are getting answer 1092727. Therefore 103 whole cube is equals to 1092727.